Gosha, my friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Sarkarji. So today's topic is very interesting. I hope you will enjoy a lot. I choose the topic about sainthood because I was personally thinking that it should be discussed. Okay. So let's begin according to the teachings of His Divine Eminence Sarkar Gaur Shahi and our beloved Sufi Master Sayyidina Sulgar. So the question is, can worship make one a saint of God? The answer: worship and hard work are both equally important, but the most important thing is the pleasure of God. So if God please with you, only then shall God will pave the way of His love to an aspirant. Okay, as mentioned in one prophetic tradition is that when I wish to render my love to someone, I reveal to them the flaws of their lower self. Okay, so from this, what we can understand is that there is nothing something special that can make you a saint of God overnight. Okay, I can also tell you that what the Holy Quran has said in regards to sainthood. God said in Surah Baqarah, ayah number 257, He said, Allahu waliyullazina amanu yukhrijuhum minaz zulumati ilan nur. The meaning is that God is a friend of those whom He takes out from the darkness and inserts divine light into them. Okay, what He did, God is a friend of those whom He takes out from the darkness and inserts divine light into them. Do you understand? I hope you will, because it's very easy with the reference of Quran. And so the main basic principle is that we should first remove the darkness from our bodies and insert divine light into them, and it can only happen with the activation of your heart. So for this, contact on Allah TV, as I told you before many times. Here's a very beautiful thing that the Quran also has tell, that how can we get divine energy. It's a very simple method. Quran also has discussed about it, that how can we get divine light. God said in Surah Zumar, ayah number 22, He said, Afaman sharaha Allahu sadrahu lil Islam, fahuwa ala nurim min Rabbi. The meaning is that those who have obtained Shariah Sadr and adopted Islam will begin to receive divine energy from the Lord. And I have also discussed on the topic of Shariah Sadr that what is the actual meaning of the Shariah Sadr. Okay. So here are some basics. That what this Shariah Sadr means. It means the opening of your breast, opening of the breast. To get free your souls, which all are enclosed in your spiritual heart and entrapped by 180,000 evil webs. So you will have to get them free with the remembrance of God's name, with the commemoration of God's name. Okay, so then along with this, what you can do is the purification of your lower self. Okay, Quran also has said about this. Aflaha man tazakka. God said, Aflaha man tazakka. The successful is the one who obtain tazkiyatun nafs, the purification of the lower self. So friends, this is the way that leads you towards the sainthood. Now without this, there is nothing something special that you can do which will make you a saint of God overnight. Because I want to tell you that anybody who tells you that come to me, I will make you a saint of God overnight, don't go to him, because he is just a fake. As I told you about the whole process that how can you become a saint of God without. As I told you that worship and hard work are both equally important, but the most important thing is the pleasure of God. So you will have to understand this, a very basic point. The pleasure of God is the most important thing than the worship and the hard work. Okay friends, I hope you will understand this very simple point, because it was a very important topic that I discussed with you. So if you want to get the better understanding of this concept, you should need to contact on Allah TV and get permission for the activation of the heart, which is very important towards to become a sainthood. So if you want to become a saint of God or become closer to God, you should need to contact on Allah TV and the must follow Sayyidina Sulgar, because he is the true companion of humanity, and don't believe in any rumor about Sayyidina Sulgar, because nobody is like him. He's the best friend of humanity. Okay friends, I hope you will enjoy. So God Hafiz, meet with a beautiful topic. Okay, take care. God Hafiz.